Hi guys, in this video we talk about Honor Magic 6 Pro versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,199 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $999. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro have 225 gram and Oppo Find X7 Ultra 223 gram. The both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame and dual SIM support with nano SIM card. The display of these devices, the Honor Magic 7 6 Pro come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 6.81 inches screen size and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82 inches. The resolution of Honor Magic 6 Pro is 1312 by 2848 pixels and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 1440 by 3168 pixels and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 460 ppi density. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510 ppi density. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices and the screen to body ratio, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 91.6% and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 91.3%. The both devices come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection and the screen brightness. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 4000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup of these devices. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and a TOF 3D depth sensor and it records 4K 60fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel 135mm periscope telephoto and it records 4K 60fps video with Hasselblad color calibration. The selfie camera of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with dual selfie camera setup, the 12 megapixel and a TOF 3D biometrics and it records 4K 60fps video with selfie camera. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera with 4K 30fps video record. And the platform of the devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the both mobile come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And GPU of the devices, the both devices come with Adreno 750 and it also come with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the internal storage is same 256GB for 12GB and 1TB of internal storage and no SD card support in both devices. Let's go to the battery setup. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5450 mAh battery and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 5000 mAh battery and the both devices come with fast charging 100W and the same 50 megapixel wireless charging in both mobiles and also come with 5G network support. The common and features is same but the Honor Magic 6 Pro have a Face ID unlocking and the result of the devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro have got 25 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 24 points.